Hi, in today's video we are going to be doing an extreme makeover and an ensuite bathroom. It's gone from this being an untouched 80s bathroom to this, something that you would find in a modern luxury hotel suite. You're going to want to see this. Stick around. Hi, I'm Chantelle from Clarke&Co. So within the video today, I'll be taking you through the whole process, what the space would look like before, hideous, the thinking in terms of the design and the vision, how we decided on the elements and the whole process. This room was completed as part of 2021's One Room Challenge fall season. So One Room Challenge is an online interior design event that occurs twice yearly with a number of featured designers as well as participants from all over the world. It's not a competition, rather an event that allows people to complete a space or spaces within a design community. For the other rooms that are completed within that season, the links are above. And just a friendly reminder, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on the post, much appreciated. All right, let's get into it. All right, so let me give you a tour of this bathroom. Like I said, it's hideous. So this bathroom hasn't been touched since the house was built, probably in the 80s. It had an old toilet. This toilet was actually faulty, leaking. This beautiful gold shower, peach tiles. Look at them. It just had to go. So yeah, you can understand how excited I was when it was time to do the demolition. Couldn't wait to get rid of those hideous elements in the bathroom. So even though we were going to hire tradies to do a lot of the installation work, the plumbing and the electrical work, we decided to do the demolition ourselves because it is a great way to be able to save a little bit on the budget. It doesn't require any great skill. It can be a bit strenuous and dusty, but you know, it is something that you can do yourself to save a little bit of money. It's also a lot of fun and quite therapeutic. So for the demolition, it was basically tearing off the plasterboards, removing the toilet, and ripping off the old tiles on the floor and in the shower, as well as the shower frame. As you can see, I'm no expert, but you know what? It's getting the job done. Howdy! So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the bathroom after I finished all the demolition by myself. So bathroom has been stripped. Bathroom's been stripped right back. All the plasterboards have gone because they need to be insulated. Flooring's gone. However, as suspected, we have some damage here and here. So we have to take all of this timber out and assess the damage or potential damage to the beam. So a bit of a bummer, but it's like that. So as suspected, when we stripped back the timber a bit, we did find mold, which was quite disappointing. It just meant that there was some additional steps we had to take in replacing those timber beams. The vision for the space was moody, hotel suite luxury, and I worked with Keisha Designs, who provided a really professional 3D photorealistic render of the space, which provided a vision of what it would look like when it was finished. Next was time for shopping. So most of the brass faucets and accessories were bought from High Grove Bathrooms, and the storage and vanity was bought from Shop. So as part of the installation process, we had to install insulation, bit of a mouthful. That basically acts as a barrier between your internal and external spaces. It keeps heat and air conditioning in the house, and it also acts as a sound barrier between rooms. After all the insulation was in, we then applied new plasterboards and basically waterproofed the area, which was necessary before the tiles were laid. Given the bathroom was going to be tiled from floor to ceiling, there wasn't really anywhere else to paint but the ceiling, so that was a really quick and easy job to do. So for the tiles on the floor, we went for these porcelain timber looking tiles, which are beautiful, and applied them in a herringbone style. This just really added so much interest to the overall design, and I really love how it turned out. For the wall tiles, I used 2 different tiles. So these are rock salt. They are beautiful tiles which are inspired by aesthetics of rock salt. And I also use these Brazilian slate tiles. Both beautiful, really bold, and really complemented each other really well, especially with the brass accessories. I know I said that the ceiling was the only place that I had to paint, but I literally forgot about the wood trims. So yeah, I just went for a really dark colour which complemented the tiles. So the fun part for me and putting the icing on the cake is adding all of those styling elements that really pull the space together. For this, I shopped around my house for things that went, even found these perfume bottles which complemented the bathroom beautifully. Alright, a quick reminder of what the space looked like before the renovation. And after, totally transformed. This bathroom went from an 80s horror stories to something that could be found in a really beautiful, luxurious hotel. Even though it is quite a small ensuite, we've been able to pack a lot in there. So we have great storage options like this tall unit here. We've got the niche, and we've also got storage within the vanity. One of the things I really love about the space is how the 2 different tiles work really well together, and also the brass elements. Those 3 things together just really pop and really add that sense of luxury. The shower is the soul of the room, and I really love how this brass shower just really brings that sense of opulence and luxury to the space. The round mirror with the brass trim is also a beautiful touch, which really just brings everything together. If you want to know more about the process of completing the ensuite, I did keep a blog about the whole One Room Challenge event. I'll put the link to that in the caption below so you can access it. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the bathroom, and until next time, catch you soon.